Hello, my name's Nick. I'm a service technician here at the Inverter Service Center, and today we're going to be discussing the ME-RC50 made by Magnum Energy. Today is going to be our fifth and final episode of our mini-series on the ME-RC50, and today we're going to be talking about the tech buttons. So if you guys are ready, let's dive on in. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and talk about the tech button, which is located furthest rightmost button on the ME-RC50. Go ahead and press it. And the first thing we're going to talk about is temperatures. It reads three temperatures: the battery temp sensor, which is located on the battery, the transformer temp sensor, and also the FET temp sensor. Both of these are located inside the unit. The second thing we're going to talk about is revisions. And this setting will display both the inverter revision and the remote revision. This is just basically telling you what software both the inverter and the remote are running. The third thing we're going to talk about is the inverter model number. So if you call us and you need help and we ask you what the inverter model number is, then go to tech and it's right there. The fourth thing is load defaults. So for if any reason you have to reload the default settings on the inverter, you come here and you just hold it down for 5 seconds. Once it hits 0, it's going to load the factory defaults back into the inverter. The next thing we are going to talk about is going to be the external controls. This basically just tells you all these readings, VAC dropout, charge rate, shore, max. These are all internally read in the inverter. Now if we had something like a BMK hooked up, then this would pop up saying that this is an externally read device, not inside the inverter. The last thing we're going to talk about here is going to be set pin. So this is a really cool feature Magnum has in the ME-RC50, where you can go in and you can lock out the setup. So if you have kids on your RV, or maybe it's a rental houseboat, you can lock the setup features so that you don't have any curious fingers getting in there and messing with your settings. So it just goes through here and shows you how you can set the pin, and then you can change the pin if you want to. And then it just shows you unlocking it for the setup. But once you set it, you do, if you want to go change anything in the setup, you click setup, it's going to make you enter that pin. And that's it, guys. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. This will conclude our mini-series with the Magnum Energy ME-RC50. The next thing we're going to move on to after this is going to be the system control panel made by Xantrex, also known as the SCP. If you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If there are some questions that you still may have, or a subject I didn't touch on with the ME-RC50, please feel free to shoot us an email or call us at 615-285-0611. Thanks guys, and have a great day.